Okay, so personals. Seabass. I don't know if you're up in here. Seabass is kicking it off the right way.
Dude, Seabass, get loose, bro.
Immediate. Saw the price. Can't beat it anywhere else.
Yeah.
And Seabass jumped on a Panini 1 box. And I hope we got something good for you right here. Good luck to you. Appreciate you for buying that.
Boomstick, I can't, with a clear mind and a clear conscience, put together a national party if we can't sell out a $38 select basketball break.
Yeah.
I can't even wrap my head around a $10,000 party because that's usually what they cost me.
Mm-hmm.
I can't do it. I'd love to, but I need to see some love before I also give love back, which I feel like I always do. All right, let's see it.
Seabass, come on now.
Seabass, do it one time. Hey.
Ooh, okay.
Dude, those look clean.
Chris Olave to 75.
I like those a lot.
That's my guy. I like CO2.
CO2? Did you make it up?
That's what they called him.
Okay.
Well, I don't think he's CO2 anymore because he's number 12 in the NFL now, but that's nice. That's icy. They got the blue foil on there for you. Seabass, doing it right on a Friday. Thank you for picking that up. We appreciate you. All right, so deck going in for 12 packs. It's a pack lot of these Player of the Days. If you didn't see them up in there, then you must not have seen the personals. They were only $20 for 12 packs. Good luck, deck. Let's see if we can do something for you. You got Jimmy Butler and Christian Koloko. So yeah, guys, we have to sell out those breaks. Tracy McGrady and Fred VanVleet. There's usually something rolling around in here. Chet on the rookie, Kevin Durant. And these rookies are kind of sneaky because people don't know about them. Dominique Wilkins. Joel Embiid, and it's going to be Scotty Barnes. Chris Middleton. Larry Johnson. We got a Jalen Green and Dominic Wilkins. Oh my goodness. Can't get enough of Dominique. This one's out of 99 though. Take it out of 99. Red on red. Dame Dalla and a Jabari Smith. What is that? Colin Sexton. Dyson Daniels Rook to $4.99. Chris Paul, Shaq. And we got Cade Cunningham finishing it off. Chris Webber to $4.99. So you got 3 serial number cards out of there and some rookies. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Deck, appreciate you. Okay. We got straight chaos with one of those 12-pack lots. Let's do it. Come on now. Bradley Beal, Jason Kidd. We got a Tatum, Dennis Rodman. Giannis. You got blue. We cannot get away from Dominique. I'm not complaining, though. Out of 50. LaMelo. AI. We got Luka. And D-Wade. So, guys, we just not moving on those breaks, huh? Hey, if you know somebody that wants to get into a break, or you know somebody that gets into our breaks, hit them up. Be like, yo, what are you doing? And why aren't you in Panini 1 and Select? Like right now. Hit them up. Call them out. If you're in that break, you have every right to call him out. Straight Chaos. Couple more packs left here. Johnny Davis, Scotty Barnes. SGL. We got a Jalen Duren to 25. I'll take that. That's the purple to 25. And last pack, Chris Webber, Ja Morant. Okay. So 2 serial number, but one of them was first on print out of 25, Jalen Duren Rook. So I feel like you did all right. Straight Chaos. Thank you. If you want to get in on some personals as well, we do have personals available. Just thought I'd put that out there, but let's knock down those breaks. Let's knock down those breaks. Yes, JST, you did miss the first break. Deck, and for the cereal boxes, 2-box lots, and you got 2 of the 2-box lots.
That's an absolute steal.
Yeah.
I wanted to hit a T-Law out of Unparalleled because they're all serial numbers.
Yes. Unparalleled T-Law coming your way, Deck. Let's do it. Okay. We got the Eli, Brandon Cooks, Deontay Johnson, some Kyle Pitts, Terrace Marshall, Najee Harris on the Prism Black. You got a Trey Sermon. Unparalleled's coming up here, and it's going to be one of those explosion ones. Darren Waller out of 125. Rapture. They took away the impact. You could see they printed impact, and then on top of it they printed Rapture. Okay. Jalen Hurts on the orange. We got these guys back here. Finish it off. But yeah, JST, if you want to get in the next one, we got a round number 2 up right now. Okay, we got a silver Prism Black coming. There's a T-Law. Come on now. Felipe. Silver Prism Black. It's a Rook. It's Davis Mills. Take the QB silver. Some Jamar Chase stuff. Travis Etienne. Trey Lance. And it's George Kittle right there, followed by Antonio Gibson. On the impact, maybe Rapture? I don't know. Hey, Brian, maybe send out one more alert.
Yeah.
All right, 2 more here for Deck. These are good. These are really good. If you guys haven't cracked one of these before, highly, highly recommend it. Jalen Waddle on the Prism Black Silver. It's only a matter of time before you get a T-Law. Silver Prism Black. And those are absolutely ridiculous. Kadarius Toney. There's a Tom Brady. And Alvin Kamara. The cubic to 25. Imagine doing a cubic T-Law to 25. That would be stupid. Kyler, Miles, Sutton, and Felipe. Okay. Who we got? Penny Sewell. Devonta Smith. Some more unparalleleds. Cooper Kupp. And it's Jalen Hurts now. Dude, that thing is baller. I like that. Out of 125, the impact. Take it down. Good stuff, Deck. You spotted the steal of the day and took advantage of it. And anyone else here can as well. We got some more of those Chronicles up in the personals. All right. So, let's see. Short line, I believe. We got JVD, then Gerbers, Scotty B, then the Birds. And I don't think there's anyone else after that. There might be. There might be. So JVD's getting the 12-pack lot of those NBA Player of the Days. Okay. Let's see. Well, right off the rip, the Pacers, Halliburton. That's in this Pacers unit.
I'm going to give you guys one last chance before PRG gets all the spots.
Yeah. PRG might just roll in and scoop them up. All right, LaMelo, we got Shadon Sharp to 199. Yep. It's the orange there. Doing good already. JVD got the Karl Malone and Joel Embiid.
Hey, who are you on right now?
JVD.
JVD?
Yep. Tim Duncan.
So then we have Gerbers, then Scotty B, the Birds.
Yep.
Law Dog got a retail, then a Prison Fast Break, then... Okay, some more.
Yeah, I haven't printed off any Law Dog stuff yet, but nope.
Okay.
We got Cat and Ousmane. Okay. Paul George on the silver. Hollow, whatever you want to call it. Curry. Vince Carter. Trey. Duren. Halliburton. Larry Johnson. And last one here for JVD. Zach LaVine. Double up the Zach LaVines. All right.
Hey, everybody started picking up that these guys are smoking deals.
Oh, yeah.
You guys should have been buying them at 115.
Yep.
But price is going up, whatever. Prison Fast Break.
Those optic retails are legit.
Oh, dude, so they jumped from like they were at like 130, now they're like 150, 160.
I think people realize that there's downtowns in them.
Well,
and
dude,
they're
no,
like,
the Blue Star inserts
yeah,
sell
those
for a ton.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get hey, did you know this year WWE Revolution, why it's going nuts?
Kabooms.
The kabooms, dude.
Hey, Scotty, you want to do some WWE and go kaboom hunting?
Right.
We could do that.
Hey, buddy, what's up?
All right, so Gerbers. Up next, Contenders Football Blaster Box.
No.
Here we go.
No, I'm at
Gerbers, good luck. See if we can get you an auto out of here. Maybe a patch auto. Or a patch. Do it. All right, Pacheco on the Rook. You got a patch up in here. Drake London on the patch. Okay. Take the Drake London patch. What is that? Herschel Walker. AJ Dillon. And it's going to be Derek Carr. On that last one, Gerbers. Appreciate you picking up that Contenders Blaster. Ooh, all right. Scotty. Yes, the Panini one did break. H-House, you should get up in the next one. The Panini one, here's, if you guys want to see what we got out of the first one. Chronicles destroyed, per usual. But yeah, we got these three guys right here. So there's definitely some more good stuff rolling around. Aiden Hutchinson, take that all day long. Kyle Hamilton on the precision, and a Trey McBride. For anyone who was trying to figure out what's going on. All right. Scotty. Panini 1. Let's do it, Scotty. Good luck. Come on now. Come on now. Hey. Oh! Scotty. Yeah, tack it on top. A little KP.
What'd you get now?
A little Kenny Pickett.
Oh, so those are good?
Yeah, Scotty.
Scotty, all day.
I feel like you did all right. Yeesh. Okay. Okay. I like the goods. That's out of 35, Scotty. Dual patch auto. I love Dakota. I'm glad I could finally pull through for you. I feel like I've been in kind of a drought trying to pull stuff for you, Scotty. All right, the Birds. I'm going to try and match that. I'm going to try my best, Birds, but I did pull you 3 Kenny Pickett's yesterday. So I don't know if it's ran dry or if we're about to go on a frickin' heater, dude. Let's do it. Jalen Hurts for you? Question mark. Hey! Oh, what is that? Oh, okay. Okay. I like that. Marcus Allen, the Lone Star patch auto to 25. See, the Raiders would have went down to the bottom in the break, and this one would have been a goodie. That is sick. Very nice. Birds. Good stuff. Marcus Allen's all day. Marcus Allen is all day. And I'll send you guys I'll send you that Kenny Pickett in the Panini 1 box. If you want it, Scotty. I don't know if you care for it. All right, so we got Law Dog, Crocker J, Vikings fan, in for some Vikings fan revolution. Okay, so Law Dog, start off with you. It's been a hot sec since we've done these. This is a good pickup, though, for sure. All right, Scotty, I'll just send it with your stuff normal. Unless you have if you get a big package this week, then, which I think you might, then I'll just throw it in there. We'll see. Law Dog. What is that? Donruss Optic. Retail. Go downtown hunting. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. Also look for these randomly inserted cards. Cool. Don't care. I want T-Law. Law Dog, you looking for T-Law? What are you looking for? Downtowns or T-Law? I mean, or Justin Fields. I ain't hating on Justin Fields. Guys, there's 21 spots left in Panini 1 and 16 spots left in Select. We got to fill those suckers up. Chuba. Ooh. Wait. I was like, why is it backwards? I didn't see anything on the bottom. Thought we were going to get something sneaky there. Tommy Tremble? Derek Carr on the legendary logos. Oh, I like this. Frank Clark, but it's the 100 emoji. That's all right. Kenneth Walker or Gainwell. Levi. Michael Carter. Brian send out a notification to you guys? Okay. What the heck? All right, Ian Book. Some of those. Oh, we got a Rich Gannon. Come on with it. Eric Stokes. All right, Blue Stars coming up. Jerry Jeudy. The way I break this, for some reason, the Blue Stars are always at the end. I don't know why. All right, Mark Burnell on the silver. Joe Tyron. DJ Moore on the Blue Stars. We got the Najee. 18 spots now in the Panini one. Eli Mitchell. Right direction there. It's a rook. Stephon Diggs. Okay. Hey, take that. Trey Lance on the rook. Hollow. Kyle Trask. Laviska. We got Javon Holland and one more pack here for Law Dog. Rook. Caleb Farley. All right, Law Dog, appreciate you picking that stuff up. We gonna keep searching out of there. We got plenty of those retail boxes if you guys want them. They're super fun. And the potential to get something crazy is there. It is there. All right. So, following up is going to be Crucker J with the 2022-23 Fast Break. Yeah, those boxes can be hit or miss, Law Dog. You got to hit a rookie, a good rookie of the stars, or a downtown. But when you do, they do pay off pretty nice. All right. We got Rudy Gobert and Bam Adebayo. Blue here. Can we do gold for you? Crucker, I'm gonna shoot for some gold. Jalen Noel out of 150. Bradley Beal. Still sitting at 18 spots left in Panini 1 and 16 in Select. Will Barton, Allen Iverson. Oh, we got pink. Davion Mitchell. Okay. Out of 50, Joel Embiid. Come on. Terrence Mann. And it's the widescreen of Dame Dalla. Paulo right there. All right, here goes your... Oh, you got an auto and a Sprite back-to-back. It's... Hold on. It's a rook. I saw a rook. Scottie Pippen Jr. I'm flipping it. Scottie Pippen Jr. 5 out of 5 on the rook. Okay. Pretty sure that's good. And what is this? Juwan Howard on the fast break auto. There you go. Some good stuff right there. Some Sprite. Get some of that McDonald's Sprite. Okay, AJ Griffin. We got Dirk on the disco. Let's do some more. Okay. Quentin Grimes. That's out of 75. And a Jalen Duren. Luck of the lottery. Two more. Hakeem. And take the Sochan on the variation. Yeah, Scotty. Actually, it does. It says it on the back. It does come out. It comes with a night out with his mom. Yep. All right, we're finishing this off. Bojan to 100. There it is. Luka. Okay. Crucker J. I appreciate you. All right. So, let's see. Only got a couple more here. And Select and Panini 1 are not filled yet. So, let's see. Give me a second. I'm going to go ahead and send out a notification real fast. Let's see. Select basketball. Let's see. Break number 3. And Panini 1. Okay. All right. Maybe that can fill those up. All right, so Vikings fan in for a Donruss optic, and then going hunting for some kabooms out of WWE. Scotty, you want to do some WWE? Is Brock Purdy in Panini 1? I think that they did not put him in Panini 1, from what I'm hearing. Crazy. So yeah, you want to adjust your, that's what I'm hearing at least. You want to adjust your draft positions accordingly. I mean, there'll still be Jerry Rice and Joe Montana and some of those other guys. Not a fan of Revolution? Not a fan of Kabooms? Scotty? Alright. That's cool. That's all we're searching for, really. Vikings fans going for one. Hulk Hogan Kaboom. Did you ever think you would be able to say that? Alright, we're starting off with this Revolution. Vikings fan, you still up in here? I assume you are. Empty box. All right, slowly but surely, it's moving. 15 spots left in select. All right. It's creeped me out for a second. I thought that was going to be an auto. All right. So you got the Creed brothers. Shotzi. We're looking for that kaboom, aren't we? That is really what we're looking for. Miko, the Almighty. Okay. Take this serial number right here. Bret Hitman Hart. The Hitman out of 149. Okay. Stacy Top Dollar. Come on now. Where's that kaboom? Let's do it for the one time. First out of the case. Let's see. Trish Stratus. Out of 199. That's a WWE legend right there. Come on, kaboom. Keep thinking this is going to be an auto because of the white borders. Final. There we go. All right. So that's Revolution right there. You gotta try out of there for a kaboom. Let's see about this stuff. Trying for kabooms and trying for downtowns. That's what's up. Okay. Good luck, Vikings fan. I am rooting for you. All right, stars off the rip. That's a good sign. Jared Goff. We'll do something else. Adam Thielen. I mean, that's some Viking stuff for you, isn't it? Kyle Trask. We got a little Ray Lewis doing these personals.
Okay.
18 left.
Did you get any kabooms out of this?
No, we did not. Not yet.
No. Are these the last two?
These are.
What? All right, PRG scooping up the rest of the spots. I'm gonna make it happen.
Javon Holland.
It's about to get lit.
Tua. And you can't even get mad when PRG can pull some nastiness. Elijah Molden. Scotty, please tell me you're in that next Panini one, because you got a Kenny Pickett. I mean, let's be real. I think that you are. I'm not accusing you of not being in there. I'm just double checking, touching base. You know, little Najee Harris. Come on, T-Law. T-Law, come on. Kyle Trask, get out of my face, Kyle. Dude, get out of my face, Kyle. Chuba. Scotty's in here. Oh, in there. Good. I assumed you were. Guys, if you're not in there.
Don't worry.
Okay. Select is gone. Thanks to PRG. Thanks, Parker. All right, Kenneth Gainwell. We got Levi. Couple more packs here for Vikings fan. Looking for that downtown, potentially. Come on now. 3 packs. You can do it. Ian Book. Silver? Oh. Nope. And the last one, Eric Stokes. Okay. Vikings fan, we appreciate you as always picking up that stuff. We try. We do our best. Okay. All right, so you guys got a little bit of time on the Panini one. If you crazy birds change your mind, we're going to do select right now, though. That's what's about to happen. All right, let's see. Save that sucker up. 17 left in Panini one.